What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds. And today we're going to be doing an installation of a Performance Emblem in the color Satin Black from Abstract Ocean. Now right off the bat, if you guys want to buy anything from Abstract Ocean using our coupon code in the comment section below, save yourself some money. So anything from Abstract Ocean using our coupon code will support us and help you guys out to save money. Now we're going to be doing a tutorial video of how exactly to take this off and to show you guys cleaning the surface and installing that Performance Emblem. Right off the bat, we literally used a panel remover to kind of just slide under that Tesla emblem sign. Now be careful so you're not scratching the paint, all right? And that's gonna come off because there's double-sided tape on that back end. We're gonna take that off and clean that double-sided tape so we get that Performance Emblem on. If you guys do like our content, please like our channel, subscribe to our channel also, because it really helps us out, everybody, and we appreciate your guys' support. Let's go ahead and start it. So we had already started removing this Tesla emblem so you guys get an idea of how it looks, okay, without scratching your paint. And I'm going to go ahead and remove it as well. Now, you do get a panel or Tesla emblem remover in the Abstract Ocean Performance Emblem package when you guys do buy this emblem. Let's go ahead and take this off. Be careful that when you are messing with this emblem, that the corners of the emblem do not dig into your paint. All right, that's a possibility to happen. Just be very careful that when you're moving this around, that those corners try not to wiggle it too much. All right, now there it goes, and they are bendable. Take that off, and we're gonna take this one off too. All right, and that's off. Now what we have to do is we're gonna have to clean off that double-sided tape so we can get a clean look. What you wanna do also right off the bat is when you go ahead, before you remove that double-sided tape, you're gonna wanna drop that S right in the middle of that emblem, okay? So that emblem is pretty much the center, and you wanna line that S up exactly how high you want that emblem or this Performance Emblem to go, how low you want it to go. So we're gonna drop it about right here, all right? And we're gonna center it right here. So before we even clean this off, so we have kind of a, you know, I would say like, not a landmine, but something to just, a reference, sorry. I was looking for the word reference, a reference to kind of get that S going. So you go ahead and tape this by pulling this off. We're gonna fold this over. Drop that S right in the middle. And then we're gonna tape it so it stays. All right, that's how it's gonna look, and that's how it's gonna go across, right? You wanna make sure you wanna maneuver the tails so you guys get an idea, so you guys are on like a straight plane. Let's go ahead and clean this now. So the Tesla emblem is off and the double-sided tape is cleaned. Okay, you could use things like if you have the roll, that rubber band roll to take it off, or gasoline so it doesn't destroy your clear coat. Make sure you're using some towels, microfiber towels, to take that off, and we just clean the surface of grease and all that good stuff. Now what we did is we looked to line up this emblem, we taped it, and now we're gonna drop those, the lettering. You also have alcohol wipes to wipe off the oil in here. I'm gonna drop that S. Double-sided tape on the S. All right, and there goes the Performance Emblem on the Model 3. You can put these on other models, okay? Now guys, if you wanna save your money, buy through our coupon code in the description below. Shout out to Cali Motive Auto Recycling for providing us this car for this review. We appreciate you guys. Stay tuned. We have more installations and car reviews coming. Thank you for watching here at Vagabond Builds.